Hey everybody, welcome to the printing workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to change a charge corotron assembly on a Xerox PrimeLink C9065. Hey everybody, if you're changing a corotron, something's gone terribly wrong. I don't know why you're changing it, because they come with every black drum that you get. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up that front white cover by opening it on the right side and pulling it open. And it's just like the drums. You're just going to open that drum tray up by lowering that lower latch and then raising the upper latch. Just like that. And pull straight out on that drum tray. Now your charge corotron assembly is this little spirally looking assembly on top of this black R1 drum. Palm of your right hand. I stand on side like this. You may be standing in front of it. But either way, however you can, you want to hold that drawer with your hand, and you're going to grab the two orange blocks. And there's texture on each side where you can hold it with your fingers, and you're going to slide that charge corotron assembly straight back. Now, if you don't hold that drawer and you try to slide that assembly back, watch. It's going to close that drawer. You're not going to be able to get it undone. So you got to hold that drawer somehow with your hand. So you'll grab it and slide it straight back, and it'll click. And then you just lift straight up. And there is your charge corotron assembly. Once you get this out of the box, you want to be very careful because it has this fine wire mesh on the bottom of it. So when you go back in, it's the exact reverse of how you came out. But when you drop it in, remember, you're going to drop it in a little bit to the rear. So I keep my eye on the front orange block, and I drop it into place. And if you drop your front orange block into place and your rear one's still not going in, just slide that charge assembly forward a little bit and it'll fall right into place. Then you're good. And you'll just snap that whole assembly back forward till it clicks, and that's it. When you're done, you'll close that drum tray back into the machine, latch that top latch, latch that bottom latch. Remember, even though it kind of hangs out a little bit, it is closed. That's normal. And then we'll close that front door. You're good to go. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click right here. Hey everybody, if you would like to see more how-to videos on other models in the Xerox lineup, make sure and like and subscribe.